2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, security system, compass, power windows, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, fog lights, remote keyless entry. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.